Journey of thousands miles begin with a single step, and the journey towards the Luhya unity, towards the Mulembe nation, begins today. This by-election is extraordinary. It is extraordinary in the sense that the journey towards Mulembe nation begins today in Kabuchai. Kabuchai is not Msambweni, and the people of Kabuchai, they want to demonstrate today that the Luhya unity begins today. When you see Musalia Mudavadi here and Moses Masika Wetangula, this is just symbolic to show the great things the Mulembe nation will be in 2022. And the people of Kabuchai, we have candidates here, one for the Luhya unity, and the candidate for the Luhya unity is none other than Kalasinga Majimbo, have been sponsored by our enemies from outside. And we want to demonstrate that the Mulembe nation has said enough is enough. Today, the Luhya unity candidate, the Mulembe nation candidate, is none other than Kalasinga Majimbo. The others, they have been sponsored by outsiders who want to divide the Mulembe nation. But the division, we've said no more. Kabuchai, it is not Msambweni. Tutaonana nao mundo.